bear? Where is the giraffe? Giraffe. Can you find the kangaroo? Kangaroo. Can you show me the bull? Bull. Tap the pig. Pig. Do you see the rabbit? Rabbit. Can you show me the sheep? Sheep. Do you see the skunk? Skunk. Do you see the turtle? Turtle. Tap the whale. Whale. Great job! You got 3 stars.
Perfect. Good girl. Good job. Fantastic. Clap, clap, Erin. Next. You are next. Yes. Let's try the food. Okay.
Tap the apple. Apple. Can you find the bread? Bread. Show me the French fries. French fries. Find the hot dog. Hot dog. Tap the ice cream. Ice cream. Where is the pizza? Pizza. Can you find the rice? Rice. Which one is the salad?
Which one is the salad? Good girl.
Salad. Where is the hamburger?
You.
Hamburger. Tap the spaghetti.
Oops.
Spaghetti. Good job. Come
Well
on, play this again.
done. Good girl. Clap, clap, Erin. Okay. Next. Another animal.
Tap the alligator. Alligator. Can you tap the birds? Birds. Can you find the cat? Cat. Do you see the dog? Dog. Where is the elephant?
Where's the elephant?
That's a monkey.
Where's the elephant? Yes, you know where the elephant is. Where is it?
Monkey.
Yes. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
That's a monkey.
Not the monkey. We want the elephant. Where's the elephant? Yeah. Where is it? Good
Elephant.
girl.
Tap the frog.
Good girl.
Which one is the horse? Horse. Find the lion.
Where's the lion?
Lion.
Good girl. Are you
Tap the
bored?
monkey.
A few more. Monkey. Ooh, ooh. Ah, ah. Where's the monkey? No more? What you want? Oh dear. You want Pink Fong? What do you want Pink Fong to do?